Guys, today we are seeing a container chassis and also one type opening container on top of it. This container can open double side, and each of them can open like this, and this side can open like that. So let's have a look in the front. In the front we can have the hydraulic system box over here, and also we can have the operation box here. To actually can open like this. Then you can have the button, you can operate it. So here is the rising up, and this is the rising lower down. Here's the operation indicator. The two operation box in the double side, one for each side. In the front we can see the braking line connection and the ABS electricity socket. At the bottom, we can see this container is pretty huge because this is against the Chinese domestic market law, but they still try to do this to have more volume to load some package inside. Most of them are very light, so they have a bigger volume, they can do more business. Here, those cables and lines are connecting the real braking line and ABS and the electricity socket to contact with the container chassis, this semi-trailer. You can see the green color are the bottom of the container, and the yellow color are the frame of the chassis. Here we can see the landing gears. The landing gears is one side operation. It is belong to the container chassis. Each side we can see those orange color ropes to fasten the container left and right side to the frame together, because this winch is belong to the opening wall in the left and right side. And here is the twisting lock. They use those type of stronger twist lock to have more safety to holding the box on top of it, because the box is pretty huge. We can see the landing gear design is quite standard. It has the middle bracket and also the left and right in the middle, and also in the rear. It also has a 45-degree angle reinforcement bar to hold the landing gear. This is a firm design landing gear assembling. Back to the landing gear, we have the side protection. And after the side protection, side guard, we can have the axles. The axles, Fuhua brand. The suspension here is normal leaf spring suspension. The pattern of the tire, it is especially for the trailer. So because the trailer axle is not steering and not driving at all, it's just the following. Okay. Now we're at the rear of the trailer and also the bottom of the trailer. We can see the bottom of the trailer is same as all the other trailers. It has the leaf spring and the air chamber and those braking lines lying down quite well. Okay, all right, let's get up the rear of the container. You can see the container have 4 door bars over there. You need to open one side first and then open another. So usually we take this off like this to save time. I took it earlier. And then pull it. You need to pull them together. Then you have the door bars off from the seat. You need to pull the door open. Then you will see the hydraulic cylinder inside, supporting the side wall to giving the power of the side wall opening. So inside, it is the same. So we don't need to go inside to have a look. All the floors, I check the floor like this, and all those walls are made by those corrugation material. It's made by steel. And on the roof, you can see it's a frame with those hydraulic pipelines hiding in the frames, and also the ceilings on top of the frame. That's how it looks inside. Let's close the door. So we can close the door by the same way you open it. And you need to pull the bar like this, but not one of them, both of them. Then you can have the door locked like this. So you have the door locking like the beginning we were seeing. After we finish checking the inside of the container and the bottom of the container, now we are at the rear of the trailer and container. So when we move forward, we can see the name of the buyer is on the side of the walls, and also axles same at the other side, suspension same at the other side, and a two-box side protection. Here we can see the spring tire carrier, same as all the other trailers, and also those indicator lights to show the weight of the trailer. Then I think that would be all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy our video. If you like, please click the subscribe and the like button at the bottom. Thank you very much. See you guys next time. Bye.